Usapho Izihlobo zimchaze uKuli Roberts ongasekhoyo njengomama obenothando kwakunye netshanhliziyo ebelilwela ubulungisa. Umhlobo wakhe nobesondele kuye uChriseda Khananda uncome igalelo lakhe.
She was an unbelievable force in the South African media industry. She may be gone from us right now, but can definitely never be forgotten.
I used to say to her, "You don't love me, uthanda uBrenda first." Athi kaloku ndiphuma kwalanga ndizathi ungamthandi uBrenda. Ndiyakuthanda because utshata nogqirha unemali. That's Brenda for you.
Abantwana bakhe bathethe benjenje ngaye.
I'm thankful that before her passing, she knew that her son had graduated his master's degree and had started work.
One of the last conversations I had with my mother was at my daughter's 5th birthday a couple of weeks ago. She told me how proud she was of my brother and I, and how lucky she was to have raised 2 children and a grandchild.
Umphathiso wezothutho Fikile Mbalula ebezimasele inkonzo yomncwabo emele isebe lezemidlalo lobugcisa nenkcubeko.
She was not fake, and she was not afraid to confront difficulties, and when she knows she's wrong, she was not afraid to say I'm sorry. End of the story. So I think rest in peace, my sister, because you didn't leave this world with grudges.
uKuli ushiya ngasemva abantwana bakhe ababini nomzukulwana makalale ngoxolo.